Hi, everybody. It's Rebecca, the Alabama librarian, reporting to you from Saturday, March 28, 2020. It is day 12 of self-imposed quarantine. Um, Things got a little dicey yesterday after I filmed my video. I usually film my videos while I'm on lunch break from work. Um, so things were going well then, but the afternoon and the evening took a bit of a turn. Um, I got really frustrated with two posts that I saw on LinkedIn, of all places. One of them was a lady who was like, "Hey, I paid off all my debt, hooray!" And I was like, "Yay, that's amazing, good job." But then, like, she itemized her debt and she paid off a $40,000 car, and I'm like, I have a $16,000 car. Like, what does a $40,000 car even look like? I'm not even sure. So that made me frustrated. And then another thing that made me frustrated on LinkedIn was that an institution that shall remain unnamed posted some really like feeble advice on how to tell if social media posts are legit. And like that's my job. That's what I do is I teach people how to recognize like fake news and not credible resources, and like that's my bread and butter. So like why don't you ask the experts? Librarians. Yay, it's a thing. Use us. We are literally right here waiting to give this advice to people. Like ask an expert. Anyway, so yeah, so the day culminated with me swearing heavily at my butter dish. Not my proudest moment. Very long story. I did find some things that helped calm me down and put some things in perspective. I will link to them all in the description. One of them was a really calming calligraphy GIF made by a calligrapher named Muhammad Bazdag. I'll link to his Instagram in the description. I also found an Instagram video of a little baby kitten being bottle fed, and his ears are doing interesting things as he's feeding. So it's delightful. I'll link to that too. I also found if you can find something to snore on your lap, that helps calm me down. Like if it's a cat or a puppy or a baby, whatever, just find something that will snore on your lap or your chest. Also, I found cooking a good meal helps as long as it doesn't require you to swear heavily at your butter dish. Last night, I made pork tenderloin with green beans, roast potatoes, and a really yummy fig balsamic rosemary sauce that was amazing. Oh my gosh. I'll try to scrounge up a recipe for it, and I'll link to it in the um, description if I find a good recipe. So, also, if my video editing skills go correctly, right now you should be seeing a picture of my sourdough starter, Challah Go Lightly. You're welcome, world. This is day 4 of aging for her. I'm about to give her her next feeding. So welcome to the world, Challah Go Lightly. May you leaven all my baked goods delightfully. Thank you. In house news, I got a preliminary closing disclosure from the bank yesterday to sign. So I think things are still moving, still on track to hopefully close first week in April. Fingers crossed. We'll see. So that's all the news from here. I am calmer today. I am feeling better. I am not yet frustrated. And if I do, I know where to go for calming GIFs. So I love you all. Mwah. Stay safe. Take care of your neighbors. Bye.